Hi, I'm Tony's Final Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today's shearing day. We're going to shear that 24-inch leader that we had last year, following this tree along. We are, I'm like 6 foot, 6'1", and we're about that height already on a tree that was planted in 2021. So we're going to develop this into a tall tree. This tree has a good set of lateral buds again. Usually I don't do this 2 years in a row, but hey, I'm still learning and experimenting with these long leaders just as much as probably the next person. So when we approach this thing, we want to make sure that we're envisioning the height of the tree when we want to sell it, right? So we're going to a light shear, anything that's kind of sticking out, picturing that this is going to be our tree over the next couple of years. So we're just going to give it a nice light draw lines, anything sticking out, maybe nip the edges a little bit, some of the bottoms a little bit. We don't want it to get too fat. But for the most part, we are going to let this thing keep on doing its thing. So I think that'll really be it. Just the tips a little bit. Nothing real crazy. Next year you think these are all going to grow out again with the, I call them hands, right? Here we have the fingers. Next year we're going to get the hands at the end of this stuff. We'll get another nice top one. Now the year after we'll definitely be probably trimming that top a little bit. We'll do a really good job and get any tree branches that are shooting back through that we don't need. This is all the work that you could spend all day shearing, right? Branches that are going back toward the center of the tree from your cuts last year. Like this one here. Bring the camera around and show you. What kind of happens is, this was a cut end, and then it doesn't really know what to do. So it's growing that way, it's growing this way. We don't need any of that in those branches because we have a lot of support, above it and around it. So this is where you could spend all day cutting all that stuff out, and we don't want to do that. Same thing with this one right here, right? Kind of growing back up, but we're not going to. So, all right, that's the gist. Get another close-up of kind of what we're looking at. Buds on a leader this year, which is right here. Nice top whorl. All right, I always love to see a nice top like that. And yeah, that is going to be how we're going to leave it for the end of 2025. All right, just an update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.